if we go to here, then where are we? Okay, deploys building, here we go. So this is basically, it's compiling everything. Yeah. So that usually takes about like 30 seconds approximately. Cool. So now when I do this again, it probably was actually created. Yeah, so now it should say like error, customer already created. So let's just test that. Yeah, okay, so then if we, we should be, yeah, here we go. 401, this is it. Response, yeah, code user exists. And then if I go like test2 at example.com, it should just have a an empty response saying okay, and then yeah, okay, cool, good. So let's, yeah, so if I go to here, then okay, cool. So we've basically got signing up working. Then we'll have sign in, log out. I'm not actually, we'll see if we use, I might not use this Kanban board, I think, even though we all love Kanban boards. So then in here, we should also say, like sign in automatically on sign up. Log out. I think that's most of the authentication stuff we need to do. So I'm going to have an interesting sign-in method for this because basically I'm not going to have any passwords. So how we're going to do this is I actually have a thing somewhere. This was my pre-planning thing. Cry. Why are we crying? Is that because I don't have any passwords? Okay. Where was it? I had something somewhere. Oh yeah, here we go. Auth sequence. So yeah, it requests the login cloud function, which it generates like a random code, and then stores that in Stripe metadata. Then it emails that code, or maybe like a link with that code, and then it basically stores that code in the browser. And is Kanban working? Yeah. Yeah, it's working. So then it basically emails them the code, and then they click on a link, or like maybe there might be a way to do it manually. Actually, no, probably just a link. And then basically that link will store the code in their local storage, so on their computer. And before they make a request, like let's say they want to change their product hunt username or something, it compares it with the one stored in Stripe metadata. And every time it makes a sign-in request, it basically regenerates that code. Won't that clutter the user's email? Not a lot, because they won't have to sign in that often. Like, it'll basically only be when they sign out. I won't make like a, 1 hour like sign out limit or anything, because I mean in reality it's not like some like super sensitive data. So I'll probably just like leave them signed in until they actually click sign out. And yeah. So they'll probably really only have to do it like a few times. Yeah. So I'm just thinking, I should probably have 2 separate sign-in cloud functions. I should have one which generates and sends the code. Actually, no, we basically only need one which generates and sends the code. And yeah. Yeah, because then it will check the code in all of the other cloud functions, like to update stuff and all those things. So, first of all, I just want to, before we start making the new cloud function, I quickly want to log this, and let's log customers with email, just so I can see what it returns for me. So it returns something. Does it return metadata? Yes, it does return metadata. Okay, that's good. So the login code will be stored in this object here. So all we really need to do is, yeah. So I think there's some way to set metadata. So what's this? I'll be back later today. Okay, have fun, Jip. How are we going with viewers, by the way? 44, nice. Very nice. I think we'll probably take like a teeny bit of a break after I like finish getting authentication working. So like sign up, log in, all that. Yeah. So here, we'll make a new one called signin.js in here. And it basically, first of all, I just realized I can delete that. That was something old from Kanban mail. Let's just put that there quickly. Removed unnecessary line from signup.js. So we'll put that there. Don't really need to push it. Might as well just for fun. Okay. Ooh, cool. Let's minimize VLC. Okay. So in that's signup.js. Then here we'll have signin.js. And in signin, okay, let's delete that bit too. So now they're basically identical. What we're going to need to do is, okay, we'll leave all that. Then this basically all stays. The only difference is that here, we should have something here. So if there aren't any customers with that email, because when they're signing in, they should have that email. Let's say, yeah, so 404, and the code will be user not found. and then we can handle that on the front end later. So let's make sign in tester.js. I'm doing this super manually. I think there's some proper way to test Netlify Cloud Functions, but when I tried it before, it wasn't really working. So we're just doing it the manual way, sign in, and calling it with the parameters. So yeah, let's say signing in as me. So first of all, if we go me, oh, this should also say sign in. Then it should have an error. So node testers/sign in. Yeah, user not found. And then if we just go me@ethan.link, which is the right email address, then it should just not return anything yet because I haven't coded that bit. Great. So let's go. So first of all, we want to generate this code. Generate random. Let's say random password, even though it's not really a password, but like JavaScript. Okay. I mean, okay, this looks good. Okay, I'll put a link, a comment to this in my code. So var sign in code equals that. Whoop, that's not what I want. Console.log sign in code. So I will copy this. Actually, okay, so I'll say technique from there, and then let's just log that. Okay, nice. So now every time we do this, we should get a thing. Wonder if there's any way to make this longer. Okay, this is interesting. It says to use this instead. Can we link to? Yeah, we can. Okay. So let's link to that instead. So if I ever come back to this and I'm like, how was this done again? Then I can just look at this. Cool. So yeah, each time there will be a random code, and then they can use that to sign in. So now we need to store that in Stripe metadata. First of all, let's post a tweet. It's about time I did that. Let's just say, I'm thinking I might thread this, just so it's easier to keep track of. Have one thread for the entire 24-hour startup thing. Okay, got sign up. Working. Taken on sign let's say on the sign in process now. Got the sign up process working. Tune in to see Holy Goosh DB. Okay, cool. Now, let's post the link of our Twitch stream. Okay, awesome. Now I will retweet that from maker.rocks Twitter account. Quickly. I'm doing that on my phone because I think there's an extension where you can sign in with like with 2 Twitter accounts at once, but like it's just easier to do it quickly on my phone. So yeah, cool. Now let's keep going. So customers, can I see all the different things? Create a customer, returns, retrieve. Is there like modify or something? Update. Here we go. Like, can we update the metadata through this? Metadata. Here we go. So what we're going to say is okay. So we basically just have the ID and then an object. So now we're going to say return dot customers dot update customers with email 0 dot ID. Whoop, that is okay. No, that should be inside here. First we need to. Okay, for let's make something saying var updated metadata equals customers with email 0 dot metadata, then updated metadata dot sign in code equals let's keep the capitalization the same just to make things easier. Updated metadata. Awesome. And then that should be it. Let's do this on there. Dot then response console.log response. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's just try this and see what happens. So now if we go to me, then a sign-in code will appear, and then if we run it again, okay, yeah, so then like it generates a new sign-in code. The only problem with this is what happens if like they want to do it on multiple devices. You know what? Okay, let me think. If it was no, because then if they sign in too many times. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think I'll just leave it like this for the moment, and then like in the email with the sign-in code, I'll say something like, if you want to sign in on like multiple devices, please use like this same link on all of them instead of logging in again. Could even put like a note on the login page or something. Okay. I suppose we should basically just push this sign-in code. Oh no, we will not push this sign-in code because we want it to have a callback here. Oh, I can just copy the callback from sign up. In fact, I can just copy this whole thing. There we go. Put that in there. And now, okay, awesome. So each time it'll do a new thing. Now we just need to. Okay, so first of all, I'll push this. Sign in part 1, generating and storing the code. Cool. And we'll push that. Awesome. So now we need to work on the email bit. Spark post. I'm actually going to create a new Spark post. Okay, well, in case you're wondering what, so many ads. In case you're wondering what Spark Post is, first of all, it's basically an API which you can use to send emails. So I'll make a new account for like. Let's sign up. Am I just missing the sign up button? Okay, this is like a bad thing. It's probably because I'm on like a smaller screen size because of the chat. Still not any clear sign up button. What if I go to pricing? It's like free unless you send a ton of emails, in case you're wondering. Because we're trying to build this entire thing for free. Maybe I need to go to login. Tip, don't make it this hard to sign up for your own thing. Yeah, okay, here, sign up. So, alright, Ethan. Let's actually say maker.rocks, just so that we can keep track of things easily. Copy an invisible character, the last name, then let's say I'm gonna sign into to pork bun for a sec. That's my domain name provider. Sign in, here we go. So I might have to like block the screen for like 20 seconds while I sign in. I have two-factor authentication enabled. Just getting the login code from my phone. Okay, here we go. I must have just mistyped the password. What invalid authentication? Okay, let's okay, cool. There we go. I'm back. Okay, so hi at maker.rocks. Suppose we'll just use that email to sign up then. Okay, now password, I'll have to do this again for a sec. Okay. Yep, free plan, get started, add a domain, maker.rocks. Send an email, REST API. I don't know, we can do this later. Okay. So, how do we verify it? Do I click on it? Oh wait, we could make sub-accounts? Really? I didn't know we could do that. Oh, this way, like, you get more usage anyway though, I suppose. Let's put this in domains, settings, is it? Let's just go here. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just putting in a domain record, so they know that it's me, and that I'm not trying to send from like twitter.com or something. Account settings, is it in here? Domain, here we go. Maker.rocks, add new record. So that is the value. That is the that's the host name. TXT. Oh, redid it. Awesome. So we have that there then. Cool. Save. Okay. So like hopefully that'll verify itself soon. Let's try it already. Probably won't have gone. Oh, that was quick. Okay. Let's see how DNS propagation is doing at the moment. So how many people are on, by the way? 30. Hey, 30 people. This is basically like which places it goes to the right place in, if you know what I mean. Now we can actually search by TXT. I don't know. Anyway, that's alright. Hopefully everything will be good. Bounce. That's fine. We can leave that. Now let's, I suppose now we go, make the email. So, what do we want it to say? Actually, let's go to heml.io. Heml is this cool thing which makes building emails much easier. So, I can actually probably just probably just copy the Hemel from Kanban mail. So I'm gonna just go into the other repository here for a sec. Okay, here we go. There you go. So this is the Hemel template that we have for Kanban mail, like when a trial ends, basically. So if I paste this in here, it should show us our nice trial end email. So now I can basically just modify this. So let's do like a key emoji maybe. Here we go. Emoji P. Okay. Copy the code. I actually made my own Chrome extension to do that, but I disabled it because I didn't know how my computer's RAM would be going, and I'm trying to so now I've only got like 5 extensions. Normally I have like 20. So yeah, let's put this in main emoji. Here we go. And okay, should we say like a sign into maker.rocks or something? And we could have like we can probably just say like how about like enjoy your stay, or like something cheesy like that. Okay, or how about we say like get your maker profile up and running. How about that? Yeah, I like that. So obviously we want this to say maker .rocks instead of Kanban mail, and like fonts in emails don't really work well anyway, but got this here just in case. Maybe, okay, so I'm going to move this, yeah, okay, so we can see that bit. Yeah, so let's say like font weight. If you're watching right now, say hi in the chat. Yeah, hi. Let's try 600 maybe. Yeah, okay, I like that. Maybe. Okay, let's put in the right colors. Hi, Raoul's Martin. What's up? Am I using CSS variables for this? Yeah, I am. I probably shouldn't, to be honest. Okay, so I suppose we have that there, and Gradient. We don't really want a gradient, do we? We can probably just delete that, and then in here we can just say background color, theme color. I think. Okay, maybe it doesn't like HSL. You know what? I think I probably shouldn't use variables. Wait, am I even using them? I don't think I am using them. Oh, okay, I think they were just there for like my reference. So like if I deleted all of this, nothing bad would happen. Cool. We can delete the font face as well because we're not using that font anymore. If there's anything that I can do to make this this more interesting, by the way, tell me, because like I want to improve it. You know what? Maybe I should just get rid of this completely. I think I might do that. Oop, except then there's no padding at the top. Is there like some still going strong? Yep, still going strong. I mean, we're only like 14% the way through. So like, yeah. Do we need to add like a margin or something? Oh, okay, so this should be margin 5n 0. Should it be? Okay, no, let's just go on margin left. I mean, oh no, this should be bottom. And then let's also just say margin top. In fact, let's go less. So let's go point. I mean, not point. 0.5. Yeah, let's try that. So we can, yeah, we can remove this image. In fact, we can probably remove all of this. Did that do it? We can also remove that. Maker of maker.rocks. So then, yeah, we can basically delete all of this stuff. Hey, and here we can say, welcome to maker.rocks. A maker just like you, so feel free to reply with any feedback about the platform. Click, not lick the link below. Click, what was the idea of the business? It's like a shareable profile for makers, so it like shows stats from like all the different products they've launched, and you get a cool URL like maker.rocks/Ethan, and you can like share that on Twitter or like wherever you want. So it'll show things from makerlog, whip.chat, I think that was how we decided to pronounce it. Then we should also have like a point down emoji. Yeah, lick the link below. Emojipedia. Let's go point down. Okay, then we've got that. Yeah, but at different sizes. Oh, well, that always looked like that. Let's say about like what I've made here. Then click the link below to get started. Enough. Maybe we should just remove the emojis. What time did you wake up today? So I basically, so this stream started at 7 PM, so I slept in until about like 10:30, and then I slept again from like 1:30 to 4:30, I think, and then yeah, so this should say like sign in. I think this is like too big. I think. Oh. Well, for starters, let's not have it bold. I don't really like that. Font weight, normal. Oop, more marble. And let's go 0.5. And then let's go 1. No, let's go 1.5. Okay, cool. Let's go P class equals center. Then have fun. P. Okay. Let's say like enjoy or something. And let's also say style equals margin bottom 0. Maybe I should just get rid of this bottom bit. I'm not sure I like it. Yeah, I think I'll do this and get rid of that, and then we will make. Yeah, I think I'll. Are you confident you're going to be able to do it in to last 24 hours? Hopefully. I think so. We'll see. So I'm thinking for this, we can copy the body background color. Then we can make it kind of like the button on the website. For the moment, this, like, I can always make this look nicer later, but for the moment I think it's nice enough. Maybe we should go for, yeah, I think I like that, but let's just see what it looks like if this was yellow. What's happening? Why is it not updating? Was this the wrong color? Oh yeah, okay, that's the wrong color then. Because this should be that. That's what we want. Yeah, I think I prefer that, just white. Maybe let's change this to like sign in to maker.rocks. Nah, because we've got that up the top too. Let's just leave it sign in. Cool. Is your computer confident it will last for 24 hours? Hopefully. I think so. Yeah. Okay. Let's also say margin bottom 0. Does that not do anything? Obviously not. Okay, cool. And then we need to work out what link it will go to. So why don't we say maker.rocks slash sign in code, or maybe okay, sign I feel like this should have been login, but like now everything let's maybe just say slash code question mark email equals that and code equals code. Okay, awesome. So we're having so many people watch everything you do. Slightly, but like not insanely. So now I will copy this and save it somewhere. Where should I save it? Might save it outside of this repository. Let's just go here. Sign in .haml. Just so, like, you know, I can change stuff later. But now what we want to copy is we want to copy this. So this is the actual email code. .sparkpost.com. Here we go. So I'm going to make this a template. For 24 hours, a little bit, not like a whole lot. Can I delete this? Delete, here we go. Okay, create template. Let's call this sign in. Subject into maker.rocks. Maker.rocks. So this goes in here. From name. Maker.rocks. Let's go, how about maker.rocks slash Ethan. Hi at maker.rocks. Sending sign in code. Say, okay. Track open. Okay, this is transactional. Okay. Then, okay, track clicks and track opens. Should we track opens and clicks? I suppose it doesn't hurt. Like, it's not really creepy. Oh, actually, we probably shouldn't track clicks because then it will show me the code, and we don't want that. So let's just track opens. Okay. Verify your email address. Have I got a verification email? No way. Oh, I have. Cool. Let's verify this. See, so it's just like the verification code sort of thing. Awesome. So now, what do we need to do? Thought we have added a sending domain. Maker.rocks. Here we go. Cool. Something went wrong. A few details. What details? Oh, really? Okay, well, this is blocked. Why is it blocked? What? Okay, this is not good. Do we need to have a CNAME thing set up? I think you'll need a CNAME for it. Yeah, let's check. Says we recommend. It did verify it. I mean, okay, let's try. Let's try just in case. See what happens. Slash domains mail looks like it wants me to whoop, that's wrong thing. Maker.rocks. I'm just gonna try doing it on the main thing, and because that's what like it says to do, and then we'll just kind of see what happens. See, so that's set up, but it says blocked. Makes no sense. Why is it blocked? How about, like, should I delete it and try again? Maybe not available for use. That makes no sense. Maybe I should just delete it and start again. Okay, add. You know what? Let's go to here. Add sending domain. Maker.rocks. So this will be different stuff. At least I think it will be. Let's see. So this should be txt. Then that, and then this is the value. Okay, let's try again. There we go. Look, pending. Maybe it was because I did it before I verified my email. Maybe, I hope. Pending review. pending. Suppose we just have a look soon and hope it works. Still says pending. Review requirements. What are the requirements? Okay, so we've done that. Compliance. Compliance checks. Here we go. HTTP works too. Oop. Maker. Yeah, that works too. Let's have a look what else. Is not under construction or a holding page. Do you think that's a problem? Okay, so it looks like they're doing this manually, which means I might be able to like contact them or something. Okay, suppose we just have to wait and hope for the best. In the meantime, I think we can like send it from the test thing. Publish. Okay, now I'm going to go into my other project, like the one for Kanban Mail, and find, here we go, trial end. And find the code that I have for sending the other email. So, wait a sec. Okay. Let's just copy this thing. Copy that, and then copy this. Okay, cool. What are we looking for? Okay, inside in.js. So, instead of just saying it's all good straight away, we should send the email. Template ID was sign in. Okay, email address is I think it's body.email. Yeah, okay. Body.email. Let's just say like res.email. Because yeah, we can just see the email there. Then okay, first name. Let's not have a first name for the moment. Then we're gonna have a code, which is sign-in code. Recipient is res.email. Okay,